Hello, my name is Milette Siler and I'm an oncology dietitian with Moncrief Cancer Institute and the lead culinary medicine instructor with UT Southwestern Medical School. Let's face it, bottled salad dressing, while convenient, can be loaded with extra additives like salt and even sugar. So, let's talk about making your own salad dressing. It can be convenient, simple, using ingredients that are already in your pantry, plus when you make it yourself, it's going to taste fresh and delicious. Today, I want to share with you how to make your own ranch dressing. Let's get started. The ingredients for ranch dressing: a cup of buttermilk, a cup of Greek yogurt, a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, a teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, a half a teaspoon of garlic powder, herbs. You can use fresh or you can use dried. I prefer fresh, but you work with what you have. A bit of Italian parsley, a bit of dill, some chives to add punch, and my secret ingredient, a half a cup of garbanzo beans. These beans are going to add fiber, they're going to add protein, and when you puree them, they are going to add a rich, creamy mouthfeel that's going to satisfy you, which allows you to use less fat and take mayo out of this recipe. Don't forget, when you're trying to reduce fat in recipes, fat has a job to do. It gives mouthfeel, it provides satiety or makes you feel satisfied or full, and it just tastes good. Pureed beans will help do part of that job for you. We're going to add about 1.5 tablespoons of this flat leaf Italian parsley, fresh. Chopping parsley can be a pain, but if you bunch it up, roll it over like this. Chives are an herb, still in the allium family along with onions and leeks, but they're a little milder and will add a nice mellow flavor, not too sharp. Now we have dill. Isn't that beautiful? I'm going to take our dill. Dill can be difficult to find, and it is very strong flavored. So we want to use, let's start, I recommend when you put your dill in, put about 1/2 teaspoon in, taste, then add more if you feel like you want a little stronger dill flavor. When making your salad dressings, if you're going to be using a blender, you want to put everything in that doesn't have fat in first. So I'm going to add the vinegar, the Worcestershire, garlic powder, and the beans. I'm going to blend these just a little bit. We'll put in our buttermilk, which does have some fat in it. Next, I'll put in my herbs. There's my parsley, and again, I'm going to put just a little bit of the dill in. I can always add more in a moment after I taste it. We'll blend that. There we go. And now I'm using a food processor, but you could definitely use a blender if you don't feel like you have to have a food processor for this. I am going to go ahead now at the end and add in my Greek yogurt, which is going to be my most significant source of fat. There we go. Looks rich and creamy. Now I'm going to lift the lid. This is where you can check the consistency. This looks about perfect for me for a dressing for me and my family, but if you would like it a little thinner, you could add a little more buttermilk, or if you prefer water, you can do that. So there you have it. Very simple and quick salad dressing. Making your own salad dressing is a great way to save money, increase your nutrition, and avoid extra additives like sodium and sugar. Until we see you again, Moncrief Cancer Institute and UT Southwestern wish you happy cooking and healthy eating.